In a world where technology is key, a lone inventor created something truly chaotic. With the use of an Arduino, a buzzer, and a light sensor, created a machine that could convert light into sound. You want to know how this chaotic machine was created? Let me show you the code. The first line tells the Arduino where the light sensor is connected to. It's connected to pin A0. The second line tells the Arduino which pin the buzzer is connected to. It's connected to pin 8 on the Arduino. The next two lines, these are boxes that hold numbers. The first one is going to hold the number for how bright or dark the light is, while the second one is going to hold number for how long the buzzer should play. The second part is the void setup. This part tells the Arduino what to do. It tells the Arduino that the light sensor is going to read data while the buzzer is going to send in data. That means that light valve is going to be reading data from the LDR while buzz pin is going to be sending data to the buzzer. This is the part where all the action happens. It repeats over and over again. That's why it's called a void loop. First, it reads the data from the light sensor and puts that number in the light valve. So the number that is put in the light valve is how bright or how dark the room is. Then it does an equation to figure out how fast and how slow the buzzer is supposed to run. If you want to see the in-depth mathematics behind this, go to my blog. I drew a whole graph for you guys there because it's so complicated. After it calculates that, it stores it in the box, that is the variable. After that, using digital write, it tells the buzzer to ring for a while and stop ringing for another while. So the time it uses to determine how long it should ring for is the delay time which we calculated before and that was stored. So using that delay time is going to determine how long the buzzer should ring. And that's the code. Let's go to the simulation. So that is the circuit. If you want to get your Arduino, you can check my description, and my blog is also my description. I thoroughly explained it there, and also a lot of my other projects are on my blog. So make sure you share, you save, drop a comment, like, follow for more, and I hope to see you in my next video.